Today we're going to be talking about the OSI model, a framework that explains how data travels across networks. Specifically, we're going to talk about the software layers 5, 6, 7, the foundation of how devices communicate. This video builds on my previous video, so check that out before you watch this, in which we explore layers 1 through 4. So let's start with layer 5, the session layer. It is responsible for managing the communication between two devices. It establishes, maintains, and terminates the communication sessions, ensuring that activities like video calls or file transfers remain organized and uninterrupted. So it initiates the communication and it sets the rules for the communication. It keeps the connection alive and ensures that both devices are in sync. And when it's done, it ends the communication. This is layer 6, the presentation layer. This layer ensures that data is in the correct format for receiving and sending data and handles encryption and decryption for security. It prepares the data for the use at the application layer, which is layer 7, next layer, and it processes the data when receiving and sending from it to ensure that it's understandable by the lower levels, so layers 1 through 5. So when data needs to be sent, layer 6 will take the data and change it into a format that compresses it, and then it encrypts the data, and then it sends it over. Or receiving the data, layer 6 will decrypt the data and then turn the data into a form that we can understand. Therefore, it's called the presentation layer because it makes sure that the data is presentable and it's understandable by a human. This is layer 7, the application layer. This is where users interact, like browsing the web, sending emails, or streaming music, or watching YouTube. It's the layer that we can see and interact with. That's what's called the application layer. Currently, you're watching this video on YouTube. You're interacting with it. You can see it. This is the application layer. The other 6 layers, layers 1 through 6, happen in the background, but they cannot be seen by a regular user. So when you open your Google browser and you type in something, the application layer initiates the process of retrieving and displaying the web page or the application. So from physical cables at layer 1 to user-facing applications in layer 7, each layer plays a crucial role in making modern communication possible. That's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.